Hey guys, so what does Diet Coke and Daniel Noree have in common? Well, after today I'm hoping that Daniel Noree's head is going to become a Coke Cozy. A friend of mine by the name of Turenkarn on YouTube and on Twitter, the other night during one of our live streams it was mentioned about I would like to eventually get a cozy made into a mug. He sent over a file that he added a handle on the back of Daniel Noree's head down to the back of his shirt that looks to me like it'll work perfect for a handhold, for kind of like a coffee mug. And he enlarged the top of the head where I believe a Coke can will fit into it just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and slice the model right now. I'm going to put it on the Tevo Tarantula and let's see what it turns out like. By the way, this is a test to see how the Tevo Tarantula will print without a cooling fan. I'm curious to see how the overhangs look and stuff like that, and just kind of get a baseline on a really long print to see how it works and to see just what the print quality is with this machine before really altering it. Maybe I'll get everything all ready and I'll see you then in the time lapse. Hey guys, so between last night and today I got a little bit of a cold or something going on. I hope it's not that flu, for goodness sake. Okay, so this has been kind of a ongoing thing. Turenkarn, he took and he originally came out with this one right here, and of course he added the handle to it. But the only thing was a can would not fit into his head. It was about 5 millimeters too small. So he resized everything, and that's when he came out with this one. Did a great job on it. I mean, can fits in there perfectly. He even added a groove inside here, put holes through Daniel Noree's ears so that any moisture could come out. Also, there wouldn't be a suction problem. You can pull the can back out, no problem at all. Did a great job on that. I was extremely happy with this model. Then he hit me up and said, "Hey Jimmy, I got one more model for you to print." And that's the one that the time lapse is of. So let's take a look at that. And I can already tell you, he somehow did something with Daniel Noree's hair and his beard. But I got everything, the bed preheated right now, so let's go ahead and remove it from the print bed. There we go. Finally. Now let me see if I got a little something here to help pull that support material off. I think I'm going to have to clean this up after the fact. I'll try to add a picture at the end of this of it cleaned up. Because that's going to take some work to get that off of there, I think. Well, first question I've got is, does the can fit? It's actually a little bit looser than before, but it does set in deeper than it did with this one. See, right about there. Yeah, it sets in a few millimeter deeper now. It is a little bit looser, but that's alright. I think that'll be fine. And he did keep the hole in the ear so that there wouldn't be the suction. Of course, I don't think there's going to be an issue with that. Looks like I do have some more ringing here now, compared to, say, this one here. I'm guessing because of the hair. Oh, and he even textured the handle too. So before it was pretty much just a smooth handle, and this one it looks like he textured it. Also added something in around that part of it. That's different. He definitely outdid himself. I'm going to talk to him and see if he'll put this model up on Thingiverse, because I think it'd be a cool model for people to print. But anyway, there it is. What do I call that? A Daniel Noree cup cozy mug? Something like, or can cozy mug? Well, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. I sure appreciate it. You can do that by clicking on the link over here. Don't forget to ring the bell too. That way you'll be notified when a video comes out. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, please click on my Patreon page over here. You can support the channel from there. If you'd like to check out one of my other videos, please give these a shot. I think you're going to love them. Oh yeah, you're going to like them. Have a great day and take care.